I've created a masterpiece.
What the heck is this?
Now I have to add the sun. Stop what you're doing. What's wrong? You need to draw the sun in the middle. Why would I ever do that? You need to trust me. I'm drawing it in the corner. It's finally done. You don't know what you've done. That's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. You need to get rid of it. I'll give you $1 million for it. We're running out of time. Why do you keep saying that?
What's happening to me?
Why did it just get dark?
Somebody help me.
What happened to the sun? That's what happens. Where the heck are we? You did this.